Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Vijay Kumar. Welcome to Wealth Creation Trading Academy. Today we will discuss one of the most basic and very powerful trading setup for day trading. And sometimes we can call this setup it is an price action trading. Why we are calling this as a price action trading in the sense in this setup we are not using any technical indicators. Based on candlestick pattern only we will initiate the trade. Okay, let us move towards the setup. By seeing this setup, most of the people they thought that it is a known setup. Yes, it's a known setup. That is inside candlestick setup. Okay. For this inside candlestick pattern, we are having mother candle, followed by mother candle. We are having baby candles. We are having baby candles. Okay. For this candle, you can consider normal candlestick pattern only. Normal candlestick pattern only. With wick also you can consider. With wick also you can consider. Okay. First, we need to identify this mother candle. After identifying this mother candle, we need to mark the high and low of this mother candle. We need to identify the mother candle. By knowing the mother candle, we need to mark high and low of this mother candle. Okay. And whenever this high of this mother candle will break, then we will initiate the buy trade. Whenever this low of this mother candle will break, then we will initiate the sell trade. We will initiate the sell trade. Okay. Let us move towards the buy setup. Okay. In this buy setup, we are having mother candle, followed by mother candle, we are having baby candle. Okay. We will mark the high and low of this mother candle. Whenever high will break, we will initiate the buy trade. We will initiate the buy trade and we will keep a stop loss. It is a low of this mother candle. Low of this mother candle. And target, initial target is 1:1. Afterwards, you can trail your stop loss for 1:2, 1:3 also. Okay. And similarly, we are having sell setup. For this sell setup, we are having mother candle, followed by mother candle, we are having baby candle. Whenever low of this mother candle will break, we will initiate the sell trade. Whenever this low of this mother candle will break, we will initiate the sell trade and we will keep a stop loss for high of this mother candle. High of this mother candle. And initial target is 1:1. Afterwards, we need to trail our target. Okay. Next, why we are calling it as an powerful inside candlestick setup. Powerful setup. Okay. Initially, we saw one mother candle followed by one mother candle, one baby candle. But here in this powerful setup, we are having one mother candle. With respect to one mother candle, we are having so many baby candles. We are having so many baby candles. Sometimes two baby candles or more than two baby candles we can consider. Okay. And this is going to be the very powerful setup. Whenever this mother candle high is broken, we will initiate the buy trade. Whenever this low will broke, we will initiate the sell trade. Then the big question will come: how to identify these setups in the live market? We are having so many stocks. We are having so many future stocks. We are having so many option stocks. Then how to identify these stocks in the live market? For this, we are having many screeners. Many screeners are available. Okay. So here, first we need to go for Google. To Google, we need to type charting. In charting, we need to move for screeners. After screeners, here we will have one icon. Create your own customized scanner. Okay. Click Afterwards, we can create our customized scanner. Okay. Already I am having the codes for this scanner. Okay. Just I will paste the codes. Okay. Here you need to paste the codes. Okay. This scanner you can customize it for cash segment, bank nifty segment, for future segment, indices segment, mid 50, nifty 50, nifty 200, nifty 50, nifty 500 also you can create. Here we will run this scanner for nifty 50 stocks only. Why we are selecting only nifty 50 stocks? In the sense nifty 50 stocks having the more volatility. Okay. And one more thing, this scanner we have written for initial 5 minutes. Okay, initial 5 minutes in the sense 9:15 market will open. First 5 minute candle we are considering it as a mother candle. First candle we are considering it as a mother candle. Followed by mother candle, we are having many baby candles in the sense those stocks only it will scan. Okay, you can customize this scanner for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, for 15 minutes, for 20 minutes, for 30 minutes also. As of now, we are running the scanner for 5 minutes only. Okay. After completing this, you need to press run scan. Afterwards, we will get some of the stocks. Okay, some of the stocks. Based upon volume, you can take the stocks. Based upon volume also, you can take the stocks. Okay, our first stock is Tata Steel. Okay, once we will check what happened in Tata Steel. Okay, let us move towards the platform. Here I am using my Zerodha platform. For Zerodha platform, you can place Tata Steel. Okay, let us opening the Tata Steel chart. Okay, for this Tata Steel, we are having first candle. This first candle is our mother candle. You can see here. This is 28th May 2021. This chart for 28th May 2021. This first candle we are considering it as a mother candle. Followed by this mother candle, we are having so many baby candles. We are having so many baby candles. Okay. Whenever high will broke, we will initiate the buy trade. Whenever low will broke, we will initiate the sell trade. In this scenario, our low is broken. We are taking sell trade. We are taking sell trade. And you can see here, the mother candle having 15 points. Mother candle having 15 points. You can keep initial 1:1 target. And afterwards, trail your profit also. Okay. In this scenario, most probably we are getting 1:2 target. Okay, 1:2 target. Just you need to place sell order and you need to wait for your target. Okay, and sometimes in some cases, what will happen? A stop loss also triggered. Okay, in this market, no setup is available with 100%. Okay, but in this particular setup, what will happen? In this particular setup, we are having good risk and reward. Good risk reward. Okay, we are taking 10 trades in the sense out of 10 trades. If we got 2 stop loss in the sense, our hit ratio is 80%. Our hit ratio is 80%. Okay, and let us move towards the our scanner. Our next stock is Hindalco. Next stock is Hindalco. Once we will go through this Hindalco chart. In Hindalco also, our first candle is our mother candle. Our first candle is our mother candle. In this case also, our cell is broken. We are initiating the cell trade. Cell is broken. We are initiating the cell trade. And we will wait for 1:1 target, or you can trail your target. Okay. And sometimes what will happen? Sometimes in between market hours also, this setup will occur. Here, for our case, we are considering first candle is mother candle only. But sometimes we will get in between also, in between market hours also we will get. This is my favorite stock, that is PVR. In this PVR, what happened? On 28th May, this is our first candle. We are considering it as a mother candle. Our first candle high is broken. High is broken, and we are waiting for our target. Okay. And on 27th May also, it given the sell trade. You can consider first candle, it is a mother candle. Then this mother candle broken at lower side, we initiated the sell trade. Likewise, in between market hours also, we will get this kind of setup, this kind setup. Okay, you can consider 27th May at 11:55 candle is our mother candle. 11:55 candle is our mother candle. Followed by this mother candle, we are having so many baby candles. We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 baby candles. Okay. This mother candle broken at upside. So we are initiating the buy trade. We are initiating the buy trade. Okay. With my experience, as of now, you need to take first candle as your mother candle. Okay. Anyhow, for this charting scanner code also, I will post in my Telegram group. You can take the code. With the help of scanner, you will identify the stocks. You will identify the stocks. But in scanner, we will find only the first candle is our mother candle. Okay, like that setups you will get. You can change the timing also. As of now, we are having 5-minute setup. You can consider that similar setup only for 15 minutes, for 30 minutes also you can take, no problem. Okay. As per my knowledge, this setup having the very good risk reward ratio. Okay. And based upon experience, it is also possible to modify some trades, and also it is also possible to avoid some trades with the help of this inside candle setup only. Okay. We'll know more updates in next videos. Okay. For more information, subscribe our YouTube channel and join our Telegram group also. The links are available in description box. Thank you. Thank you everyone.